Hey, what's up? It's your girl again, Queeny, and today's video is a tutorial on how to make a top knot on your short natural hair. So let's just jump straight into the video. Basically, my hair is almost always in twist, and this I have my aloe vera juice and my shea butter and my Jamaican black castor oil in this. I used it overnight, so this is how soft and fluffy my hair looks today. Alright, so I'll just untwist the hair and massage my scalp so well because the scalp always needs to be massaged, whenever you are working out. Remember to work out on your scalp too because it also helps the hair to grow very fast. Now, what I have in this spray bottle is water and Jamaican black castor oil. I'll just go in with small amount of water and make sure that the hair is super soft, like super soft. Then next, I'll just go in with my white tooth comb and comb it for a while. Then I go in with my Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. I love this leave-in conditioner. It makes the hair look so super soft. Okay, so I'm being a reminder here. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Now, I'm thinking of where to make my pony. Like, I always prefer mine to be at the top of my head, so that's where I'm going to do mine. But you can choose wherever you want it. Some people want it at the back of their head, but nah, that is a no for me. I always want it on top of my head. So yes, after grabbing all the hair together, I'll just make sure that I assemble all together with this comb. So I'll go in with my Echo Styler. This one, use as much as it can hold your hair. Alright, I'm not going to use too much because I don't really want to see build up products in my hair afterwards. To make sure that the hair is well sleeked down, I'll go ahead and brush it all through with my small tooth comb. Yes, I'll just brush it through, comb every part together to assemble them well, to make sure that they are well sleeved. Now for a better result, I'll go ahead and use my diamond brush to brush through the hair very well to make sure that the sleek is on point, guys. So this is what I got after everything. I'll just go ahead and use my ribbon, any ribbon that you have, but I'll advise you to use a ribbon that will not take off your hair at the end. So this is how my hair looks like after putting the ribbon in. The next thing, we're not done yet. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and use my donuts in my hair. Yes, so I'll push my natural hair through the donuts, the middle part. Yes, then that's what I got. So this hair, let's see if I can rock it out. I'm not done yet though, but oh my gosh, it's really looks some way on me. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not going out with this. No, trust me. So the next step is I'm just going to go ahead and take this my ribbon and what am I doing? What am I doing? Fix. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm just going to fix it through, and yes, we got our donut there. We got our top knot. We got it. We got it. It's so simple and you can rock it everywhere. You can rock it to work, to school, everywhere. You can take it everywhere or anywhere. So after that, I'll just go ahead and just lay my edges, something like that. Yeah, so I'll just go in with some of my eco styler to make sure that every part is slicked well. With the help of my toothbrush, I'll lay my edges. I'm not going to lay them like too much, just a little style, left and right. Then I go ahead and tie my hair with this hair gel for like 30 minutes. I just go around doing some stuff. Then after 30 minutes, this is how my hair looks like after the 30 minutes. So at this point, you see that the hair is dried and stick. You can also choose to use blow dryer after you tie your hair with the hair gel for some few minutes if you are in a hurry, but I don't prefer that. I prefer doing it maybe 30 minutes before I go out so that I can make sure that my hair is well dried naturally. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to this point. I love you guys so much, especially my subscribers. Like, I don't know what to tell you guys. I love you guys so much, and you should keep the support coming. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and don't forget to share also. Share the video. Let a friend get to know how to style her own hair. Now, after sharing and after liking this video, after subscribing, don't forget to leave a comment about how you also style your natural hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.